Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the voice translator in Dreamface. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on Voice Studio and now just press on Voice Translator. And now you can just record basically an audio basically, or you can just import an already existing audio file, and you can import it from your album or from the files. You just press on it, select one from here. I don't have anything at the moment, but you can just select it, and you will be able to translate the voice using this feature. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.